The bow is fairly simple to make, however the ribbon does not have wire, so it is a little harder to manipulate. You start with enough ribbon to make the first tail, then scrunch it together, and then a small loop for the center of the bow. Next, I'm making several more longer loops for the bow, scrunching each one together at the back as I go. Then I'm using a pipe cleaner to tie all the loops together. You put it through the center hoop and then you tie it at the back as tight as you can. Measure out the second tail with the first and cut it off. The bow will just tie together with the pipe cleaner, and I cut triangles out of the tail end of the ribbon. Thanks for watching, everyone.